Hello, and welcome to this full 2025 guide on how to set up customer statements in QuickBooks Online. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through every step of the process so you can improve your accounting workflow and strengthen communication with your customers. Let's begin. First, sign in to QuickBooks Online through the official website. Enter your credentials, and for added security, consider using a password manager to keep your login details safe. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Sales tab on the left-hand menu. This is the central hub for managing customer interactions, invoices, and statements. Next, click on Customers. Here, you'll be able to view and manage all individual customer accounts. Select the customer for whom you want to create a statement. After selecting the customer, look for the drop-down menu beside the New Transaction button. From this list, choose the Statement option. This will open the statement creation window. Now set the appropriate start date for the statement. This ensures that all relevant transactions are included. Be mindful here, choosing the correct dates is critical for accurate communication with your customer. Once the details are set, click Save and Send. QuickBooks will automatically organize the statement and attach it to your outgoing message. Always double-check the attachment before sending. Finally, click Send. Your customer will now receive a clear statement that shows outstanding balances and recent transactions. And that's it. You've just learned how to set up and send customer statements in QuickBooks Online. Regularly sending these statements helps maintain transparency, improves cash flow, and keeps your customers well informed. Thank you for watching this guide, and be sure to check out other QuickBooks Online tutorials to keep mastering your accounting tools.